guys, I'm Shikha. So glossy makeup is a trend that's been around for a while, but not everyone wants to look really high fashion or editorial ready. Our goal is to look pretty. So today I'm going to recreate the glossy makeup trend into a more wearable look that you guys can try. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by filling my eyebrows in to give my face a little definition, since everything else is going to be very glossy and shiny. The eyebrows need to be stark to frame your face. So in a glossy makeup look, defining the shape of your eye is extremely important. So I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow to contour my eye. So for the next step, I'm going to apply a metallic rose gold eyeshadow as base. You guys can apply any color that you're working with, but this is an extremely important step as it sets the base for the gloss. Now for the next step, I'm going to apply a little bit of loose glitter on top of this base. It's because I like a little drama, and also it makes for a really pretty look for a night out. So the way I like to apply glitter eyeshadow is to use my ring finger, as the warmth of your hand melts the product in and it's much more seamless as compared to a brush. So now the eyes look really pretty as they are right now for a nighttime look or even a daytime event. But since this is a glossy look, we're going to top it up with some good old lip gloss. For those of you who think glossy eyes are a bit much, you can do glossy lips. Just like we defined our eyes, we're going to line and define our lips, and then fill it up with gloss. Last but not the least, a way to add sheen or gloss to your face is via highlighter. Make sure you guys use a cream-based highlighter as it really blends into your skin. And that's it guys, that is how you can recreate the trend of glossy lips, lids, or add some sheen to your face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to Hauterfly.